Hello children, and today we are going to study the first chapter from class 10th literature book, A Letter to God. It's a very simple story, and this is the story of a hard work and extreme faith of the farmer Lencho in God. I'll tell you the story. He expected a good harvest, but due to the rainfall, heavy rainfall, his crops got destroyed, devastated, and then he wrote a letter to God. And ultimately, what happens, that we'll see there in the story. Before starting the story, first we discuss the vocabulary, like valley, a low area of land between hills and mountains. Crest, top of a mountain hill. Downpour is called a heavy rainfall. Supper, an evening meal, or typically a light or informal one. Predict, ऐसे तो लोग बोलते हैं भविष्यवाणी करना. Here predict means guess. Destroyed means ruined. Locust, kind of insects which fly in big swarms and destroy crops. Daybreak means dawn, मतलब भोर और सुबह. Amiable means having or displaying a friendly and pleasant manner. Serious, here serious means thoughtful. He becomes serious, means he becomes thoughtful. Resolution, a firm decision to do or not to do something. We take resolution on every new year. Charity, help or money given to those in need, that is called charity. Contentment is happiness. Crooks means dishonest people. Now let's begin the story. Here the main characters like Lencho, postmaster, the post office employees, and there is a postman. Yes. So in the opening scene, we find that Lencho's wife is preparing supper. Older children are playing in the field, and the younger one were near the house, right? And he was praying to God, or he was so-called predicting a good rain. He was eagerly waiting for a good rain. अच्छी बारिश के लिए वो काफ़ी वेट कर रहे थे, so that he will have a good harvest and good crops, right? It says, we say this, like बोलते हैं ना कि जब किसी चीज़ को दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे पूरा करने में लग जाती है. तो जब वो दिल से चाहें दैट कि बारिश होने लगी, राइट? अब बारिश तो होने लगी. ही बिकेम वेरी हैप्पी. His wife called the children for the supper. Supper के लिए सब लोग आए, खाने का टाइम हुआ. Started enjoying that. बारिश started. The rain started. It was a good rain. He was very happy. So he stepped out of his home to experience the pleasure of rainfall. When he came back, he was drenched when he came back from the outside, right? So he compared the rainfalls. Like Lencho compared the raindrops with silver coins, which showed his joy, his happiness, but soon his joy turned into despair. निराशा में बदल गई. His happiness was short-lived, right? Because the rain changed into strong hailstorms. Why? Because strong wind started blowing. तेज हवाएं चलने लगी, right? And a strong wind came or brought hailstorms. And in no time, the entire area was covered with snow or covered with hailstorm. Not snow, hailstorm. His house was there on the crest of the hill, and his house was only there in the valley. There was no other house. So there was no other option also for the help. अगर अगल बगल कोई होता है तो सबसे पहले help हम उसी से मांगते हैं. There was no one. So he had only one hope, one option left, that was God. जहाँ कोई नहीं होता वहाँ ईश्वर होते. This is said. This is the faith of a person's, and it has been highlighted here. So he expected that God will definitely help him. And that night was very painful and horrible. He was thoughtful. He became serious. Serious here means, he became thoughtful. And in his thought, it was only there that what will happen now, how would he survive, right? So he was praying to God that please help me survive so that I can grow crops and I can support my family. So he decided to write a letter to God. Yes, he had a deep faith in God. He had a deep faith in God, so he decided to write a letter. Letter में क्या लिखते हैं? He please help me. Please help me with some money so that I can grow crops and support my family till the new harvest. जब तक कोई नए क्रॉप्स नहीं आते, till then you please help me so that I can survive and support my family. He worked very hard like an ox. It has been written there. He worked very hard like an ox, but he knew how to write a letter. लेटर तो लिख दिया, लेकिन एनवेलप पर उन्होंने एड्रेस में क्या लिखा? टू गॉड पोस्ट कर दिया, राइट? जस्ट इमेजिन आपके हाथ में कोई लेटर आ जाए जिसमें लिखा हो टू गॉड. नेचुरली यू विल बी सरप्राइज्ड. इनफैक्ट एवरीवन विल बी सरप्राइज्ड कि यार कौन लिखा है. उसको ये भी नहीं पता कि गॉड का कोई एड्रेस नहीं है. जनरली पीपल विल बिगिन टू मेक फन. द सेम थिंग हैपेंड विद हिम ऑल्सो. द पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉइज बिगैन टू लाफ. इनफैक्ट अ पोस्टमैन जो सेग्रीगेट करने का काम करता था, उसी के हाथ ये लेटर लगा. तो वो लेटर लेकर आया पोस्ट मास्टर के पास. तो उसका जो हेड था पोस्ट मास्टर के पास लेकर आया और ही जस्ट बिगैन टू स्पीक out of fun that see there is a man who has written a letter to God. All were burst into laughter, but then suddenly postmaster became serious. He became thoughtful. क्या यार गजब का फेथ है बंदे का, राइट? एंड ही विज्ड. उनकी इच्छा हुई कि यार ऐसा हो जाए कि मैं इनके विश्वास को न हिलने दूँ. His faith should not be shaken. That's very good one that he has deep faith in God. कुछ ऐसा करें हम लोग, but he could not do himself. Why? Because he had demanded 100 pesos. One thing I missed, I want to add here, कि when it was raining, he compared raindrops with the silver coins. He said that जो big drops are 10 cents and small drops are 5 cents, right? In fact, he had demanded, लेकिन उनके इस feelings पे पानी फिर गया when there were heavy rainfall and hailstorms, right? So he wrote a letter. In letter he demanded 100 pesos. 100 pesos उन्होंने डिमांड करी. It was not easy for a postmaster to give 100 pesos. Kind of currency used there. 100 pesos. तो उन्होंने क्या किया? पोस्ट ऑफिस एम्प्लॉयज़ को रिक्वेस्ट करी कि लाइक वी ऑल कैन collect together. It can be act of charity. So all collected money and postmaster also gave his share, and all together it became 70 pesos. फिर भी ये 100 नहीं था, लेकिन वो सोचे कि चलो something is better than nothing. अब किसी को हेल्प करो ना तो एक गजब की खुशी मिलती है. सीरियसली वी फील ग्रेट हैप्पीनेस, एंड ही वॉज इन द सेम इम्प्रेशन. तो संडे मॉर्निंग ही अगेन वेंट एंड ही वॉज एक्सपेक्टिंग द लेटर. तो पोस्ट मास्टर सोचा कि जब उसको लेटर मिलेगा तो सरप्राइज होगा, क्या लेटर मिल गया मेरे को. बट ही वॉज नॉट सरप्राइज्ड. ही वॉज नॉट एट ऑल सरप्राइज, क्योंकि उसको फेथ था. ही हैड डीप फेथ दैट आई विल डेफिनेटली गेट द लेटर. बट व्हेन ही ओपनड द लेटर, नो, इंस्टेड ऑफ सरप्राइज और astonishment, he was a little angry. He was frowning, feeling that यार God तो ऐसे गलती नहीं करेगा. I had demanded 100 pesos, लेकिन यहाँ तो 70 pesos ही है. तुरंत वो राइटिंग टेबल पर गया. ही डिमांडेड फॉर द इंक एंड पेपर एंड ही रोट अ लेटर अगेन. फिर से वो लेटर लिखा, राइट? और इस लेटर में उन्होंने लिखा कि आपसे तो गलती नहीं होगी, है ना? आपने जो सो प्लीज़ सेंड मी लेटर, सेंड मी मनी. आई हैव रिसीव्ड 70 pesos. सेंड मी मोर मनी बट डोंट सेंड मी थ्रू दिस पोस्ट ऑफिस. वाई? बिकॉज all the employees of this post office are bunch of crooks. जितने भी हैं they are bunch of crooks. अब ये this is an irony. अब लाइन लिखा हुआ है चैप्टर में they are bunch of crooks. To him they are bunch of crooks because he felt that post office employees had stolen the money. But to the reader, as a reader, we know that no, they were not bunch of crooks. So when the line is written and the meaning is just opposite or different, right, just contradictory meaning, that is called irony. So this is irony there in the story. Second thing, it also highlights the innocence of लेंचो. लेंचो के innocence को दिखाता है कि he is unable to judge even that God might not have sent the letter and the money, and money might not have been stolen by the post office employees. Yes, it also highlights that humanity is still alive there in the world. Humanity अभी भी दुनिया में जीवित है. That's why it is said that अगर 99 भी बुरे हो जाए, 1% भी अच्छे हो, तो सृष्टि चलती रहेगी. Yes, so humanity is there, and out of humanity only they had helped him so that he may survive. Yes, but now the question is asked that is it justified? Like he called them bunch of crooks? Of course not. It is not at all justified. Why? Because he called them bunch of crooks, then too they had only collected money and helped him with 70 pesos. So it was his innocence, right? It cannot be justified. It gives the example of humanity, and it also tells us that we should help no matter what people say, no matter what others say, but we should help the people in need. I hope the story might be clear to you. It was a very simple story.